Oh, what's up, buds? Welcome to Wanna Buy It. Today we have the 1More Evo Earbuds. Now, right now, these are going for $170 on Amazon. I put the link down in the description below, but also because it's Prime Day, they have Prime Day sales and you can save a couple bucks on there. So click that link and see how much money you can save on these earbuds. Let's break them down and let's see what they look like. So when it comes to the battery life on these, you're going to be looking at 28 hours. That's with the earbud and the case together. So in one earbud, you're going to get 8 hours of battery life. If you're playing on max volume, that'll probably be cut to like 5 hours or so, because normally they test products at like mid levels, all companies. But within the case, you're going to get 20 hours, and that gives you 28 hours. So, but if you're using noise canceling, you're going to be getting 5.5 hours out of these, and 14.5 in the case, so that, you know, cuts it into like 20 hours, but still it's a full day's worth. If you guys use like me, I put one in at a time while the other one charges, and then when one dies, replace it with the other one and just keep rotating, and gets me through the whole day of work. So as you see, we already got the case out. This is what the case looks like, but before we go through that, let's see what else is in this box. Let's get this out of here. We got USB Type-C right there. We got ear tips, and with the ear tips you get 5 different variants, 5 different styles. Here goes the earbuds. This is the case. Now the case is probably the smallest case we had so far out of the 3 we've had on this channel. This one is really small. Let's open it up. Oh, a little glossiness right there, a little shiny. These things are fancy, man. Now one thing I do notice that they are a little thicky. They are thick. It kind of gives me Tozo earbuds vibe right there with that size on it right there. You see it? Knowing my ears, it's probably gonna be a problem with my ears because my ears don't handle like stub buds in general. I normally need a stem on my earbuds, but we'll see how these go. Let's put them on and see what they feel like. One weird thing is, unlike the Tozos, they were just so thick all around, and it's the way these are shaped, they feel like they will stay. Like, kind of feels better than I thought it would. I think because they have like a little dip in them. But let's see, I'm gonna give you guys an on-ear look. Now they seem, from what I can see right here, they don't stick out too much. This is the on-ear look on this side, and then straight on, if you're just looking at me, this is what it kind of looks like. They don't look too bad, huh? But you do feel the little thickness in them for sure. When it comes to the waterproof of these earbuds, you're gonna be looking at IPX4, meaning you're gonna be okay in the rain, if you're sweating at the gym, you know, a little bit of splashing from somewhere, all that, you're gonna be fine. You don't really want to submerge, you'll probably damage your earbuds for sure. You want to get IPX7 earbuds for that. So if you just need something that to work out in, or if it rains a lot in your country or state, you're gonna be fine with these. These have 6 mics in these earbuds, so meaning 3 on each side. So we're gonna test out the call quality sound using a voice memo so we can hear ourselves, so you can get an idea what other people will hear when you're talking on there. So here we go, let's do the recording on here. B's gonna try to link it up with my mouth and see if she can link it up. So let's do it. 3, 2, 1, go. All right, bud. So this is the call quality that people are going to hear when they call you and you're talking to them. Now, like I always say, that when it comes to earbuds, everyone's expecting super crazy clear quality. It's rare that you really find that in earbuds. I feel like they're all okay or decent, you know. But with these ones, we're going to find out what it sounds like in a little bit, and we'll see. They have 6 mics in them, so that means they'll be able to pick up your voice a little bit more. And we're almost to the 30-second mark, but this is what people are going to hear when they call you and you're talking to them. All right, so let's talk about the app. So in the app, as you can see, you get to see the battery life of both of your earbuds in the case. And also you have the listening mode. In the listening mode, you have the off button, you have transparent. But when you click transparent, there's 2 different modes as well. You have the voice enhancer, which will also boost up your voice a little bit to hear yourself when you talk. And then you have pass through, and then you have noise canceling. But right here in noise canceling, you have 4 different modes. You have the strong, you have like the mild, so like a medium one, and you have a wind resistance one. And then there's adaptive noise canceling as well. That'll adapt to, you know, your environment and everything that's going on. It's nice to have those options. Now you have smart playback, you have the customized settings as we've seen with the other earbuds. So to let you customize the settings and switch what you want the double tap and triple tap to do. So if you want to play, you know, previous track, volume, voice control, all that, and you can switch each earbud to do what you want it to do. And another thing is they have the sound ID. Now, we've seen with the Comfo Minis, the Sound ID lets you customize the sound to your liking. What they do, they put you through a little test to see what your ear is like, and you choose A or B, but if they both sound the same, you choose no difference. And at the end of it, it'll have a customized sound for you. All right, now that's all done, I'm about to play a song, listen to these real quick and see what these are all about. I might use my Sound ID, I might take it off, I don't know, but let me just listen for a little bit. It has nice bass, real nice bass on these ones. I like the sound without my Sound ID. I just switch it off. I like it way more. So after listening to a couple songs, I think the bass is pretty good on here. I don't think it's as good as the 1More Comfort Board Pros. Those are really good. These ones are like a little bit below that. The vocals are really crispy and clear on here though. I like these are my favorite probably highs when it comes to all of the earbuds that we had from this company on here. One thing like I said on all of them, I wish they had an EQ in their app to give us more options to boost and drop. If I wanted more bass, less bass, if I want to take out some of the highs, like, you know, claps, hi-hats, people's S's, you know, I could take that down. If I wanted to take that down a little bit more, that'll probably be something I really would like with these earbuds. But overall, the volume is probably the loudest we've had out of all of their lines that we had on here. And also, it's probably up there, not all the way up there, but it's up there for loudness of just earbuds in general with noise canceling. If you guys don't know, noise canceling earbuds are normally capped out at like 80%. They seem really low because they block out the outside world, so they don't feel like they need to max you out and hurt your ears. And that's what all the different brands that we've tested is, that seems to be the thing. But these ones seem a little bit louder than a lot of those other brands, and even their own other two earbuds when it comes to noise canceling earbuds with a max volume. Overall, the noise canceling is amazing. Right when I click it, it's just everything was out of here. It was gone. So the style of the earbud, it's just all up in your ear and it's closing everything out. These are normally the earbuds that do really good with noise canceling in the first place. And when it comes to the app is amazing. I just need an EQ in there. One more added EQ to the app, it'll take you to another level. But other than that, sound quality is there. The bass is pretty good on these, and then the highs and the mids are pretty good on these as well. If I had to choose out of the three, I'll probably choose the middle ones just because it has the stem and my ears don't work well with these ones, and I like the bass better on the Comfort Bud Pros, and that's what I mean as the middle one. So yeah, but all in all, buds, if you want to see my quick little unboxing review of their other products, the ones I keep referring to, you can click on one of these boxes right here and you'll see them there. And if you guys like this video, please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe. My name is Rodney. This is 1More Evo. Everyone be safe out there. Peace.